I just love to sit in this beautiful space around my house that I live, that has a studio and a kitchen and a room, of course, with bathroom and all of that. And I just love to be here in nature and connect to nature, to the cosmos, to my heart, and to you. So here is a little flute just for you to connect. Are you connected? Want to know more? Let's continue doing that. Let me know in the comments what maybe you are looking for to connect and how you connected today. Sending you so much love from my heart to yours.